This business made over $30,000 in a month in pure passive income. Another business made over $21,000 in a month on complete autopilot. And this business made over $20,000 in a month after just setting up this business once. And there are dozens of other similar businesses that you can start today for completely free to earn over $370 a day in pure passive income. And no, you don't need to invest any money in these businesses. And this business model doesn't require any skills or experience to start it. So like this video, and let's start with the first step, which is to come over to this website where you can see this business of the 22nd of October. They sell different t-shirt designs, different mug designs, and other designs all created using free AI tools. They have sold over 40,000 designs till now, and their average price per design is around $25. And if we do the math here, they have already earned over $1 million by just leveraging these free AI tools to create different designs and selling those designs on their shop on Etsy. Anyone from any country around the world can use these free AI tools to create these designs, create mock-ups using them, and make money online. But for our future videos, comment down below your country name so that I can create more relevant videos for you guys. So basically, this business model is called a print-on-demand business. It's just a simple dropshipping of mugs and t-shirt designs where you use AI tools to create stunning designs, and a supplier like Printify who would provide you with white label products like these t-shirts, pillows, socks, posters, and mugs that can be printed on. Printify integrates directly with Etsy's marketplace, making the whole process extremely easy. All you have to do is pick out one of these products and upload some designs to it, whether that be an image, text, or an AI design, and list it for sale on your Etsy shop with a little bit nicer of a mock-up. And when one of Etsy's 450 million monthly visitors finds your shop and orders that item, it will go straight to Printify. The design that you uploaded will be printed on the mug and shipped off directly to your customer without you ever having to have a physical location, a website, or ever run any ads. This is one of the easiest businesses that you can start to make money online for completely free and without investing any money. Just for some more proof so you can see how well this can really work, this shop is called Strictly Business Mugs. They pretty much sell only mugs with some motivational or business related quotes on them, and on average their price is $16.25. Until now, they have sold over 48,700 mugs from this one shop only, which if you do the math becomes over $700,000 in revenue, which is really awesome. Just like this, there is this shop called 22nd of October, which sells hoodies and t-shirts, and the average price of their products is between $25 to $30, and they have sold over 40,900 units of them till now. Even if we take $25 in average price, they have already made over $1 million in revenue, which is just mind-blowing. And if you follow each and every step shown in this video, you can easily set up your shop and earn over $370 a day in complete passive income. So the first step is to click the second link in the description of this video and the pinned comment to create your Etsy store shop for completely free. It will give you 40 free listings for a limited time, so make sure you create your shop today using a new Gmail account and a password for your Etsy account. After that, you can upload 40 listings for free on your Etsy shop. And the next thing you want to do is to click on the first link in the description of this video and in the pinned comment and create your account on Printify.com. Printify is the best tool to integrate your Etsy shop with. So just log into your Printify account and connect your Etsy shop to it, and you're all set to start earning money online. Once your Printify account and Etsy shop are set up, the second step is to create stunning designs using some free image generation AI tools. And we want to create some fruit images like this apple watercolor painting mug, cactus image mug, banana painting mug, or this mushroom painting mug. These kinds of mugs sell more on Etsy, and you will be able to earn money fast with it, and they are actually very easy to create. So the first AI tool that you can use for it is Gencraft.com. It is one of the best free AI image generators that we can use. All you have to do is give it a simple command, and it will start creating stunning images for you, just like you're seeing on your screen. Another best free AI image generator tool is Leonardo.ai. Leonardo AI provides you with 150 free daily credit points that you can use to generate AI images. So just click where it says create an account, sign up on this website, and log into it. Once you log in, you just need to click on create new image option right here, and that's going to take you to this page where you can type a prompt to create AI fruit designs for your mug. For example, if we want to create a design related to this cactus mug and earn thousands of dollars like them, all you have to do is to write a prompt like this: cactus in the style of watercolor painting on a white background, and then just press generate to create your AI images. Just make sure you have selected at least 4 number of images. 8 is the best, and it will provide you with different images that you can choose from for your mug design. Every time you generate an image, some of your points will be deducted from your account. For example, if we choose this one, it will open like this. You have 4 different effects that you apply to your image. So let's say if I apply this filter to the image, it will load to apply the filter, and then it will provide you with the image with that filter. And if you want to apply another filter, then first you need to click here and select the original image from there. After that, you can apply another filter to your image. One thing I would like to suggest is that once you are satisfied with the image you choose and the filter you apply to it, I recommend you remove the background from the image by applying the background remover filter from here, and then just download the image to your device. Just like this, you can create different images of other fruits like apples, bananas, grapes, and all. I have created these images using Leonardo AI and Gencraft that you can see on your screen right now, and I suggest you to create some mushroom design images, rose images, and pets images like cats and dogs, because they are trending right now, and you can easily get sales using these designs. Once you have created your designs, the third step is to come over to Canva.com and create your account for free here. Then just click on create a design on the top right corner and select the custom size option from there. Then here you want to add 1080 by 1080 and press this button right here. Now you want to go upload section and upload all the designs you created using AI from your device. Once you upload the images, you can start creating these stunning designs like this for your mug for completely free. As you can see, these designs are created using a simple image image generated by AI for free. And once you are done creating your design, just download your designs one by one from Canva and save them to your computer device. After that, I want you to come over to Printify again. I will leave a link to Printify in the description of this video and the pinned comment. You can create your account using that link and log into your account. Then I want you to select the catalog and select the mugs option from here. That's going to show you different mug designs that you can choose from. Let's choose the bestseller mug design from here. And you can see your mug and different mock-ups for your mug. Now you just need to click here where it says Start Designing. That's going to take you to this page where the first thing you want to do is to upload your designs to Printify. Once you upload your designs, now you want to create a stunning designs with these AI images that you generated. And by the way, you can also use Printify AI image generator to create some awesome images. So now we just need to adjust our designs that look something like this. As you can see, I am adjusting our apple design to our mug. And now I want to copy this design, which I can do from this icon over here. So now I have two designs and I will adjust the second design under our first design. After that, I will select the first design and hold Shift on my keyboard and select the second design with my mouse. Then I will again copy both of these designs from here and I will adjust them next to our this design. Just like this, I was able to create a design like this. Now I can click on preview to see how my design will actually look on our mug. And as you can see, it is looking amazing on our mug. We can also check out these co-texts here one by one. And if we still need to change anything, we can go back to the edit section again. Else, we can just click on the save product button on the bottom right corner and save our product on our Printify account, which you can find under my products in your account. Just like this, you can create other different mug designs using the other images we generated and create amazing looking designs on Printify. This is the best platform to create your product designs and to create and sell custom design products. You don't need to invest any money to create your products, design them, or do anything in the process. Just create images using AI. You can also use Printify AI images for that. Upload your designs to Printify products, connect your Printify shop to Etsy, and boom, you will be able to generate money like these shops in just a matter of few months. Once again, I will leave a link to Printify in the description of this video and the pinned comment. You can register yourself from there and start making money from today itself. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.